I was Samannath's Small Steps Trader channel. So before going to this video, today's tidbit: how you manage your trade is more important than what stock and direction you pick. So whether you might be picking right stock and the right direction, but if you not managed your money management is not good, then that would be difficult to sustain. So the money management is very much important. That's what author come to see. Okay, now we go to the video. Before the disclaimer, I am not a registered advisor. So whatever I am speaking here are my views for educational purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. So only that will lead you to make a good trader or investor in the long run. Okay, so today if you see Nifty 197 point, almost 200 point negative today, 21,513 it rested. So it's a very good big number, but no need to worry, that we will see in the chart how it is. So left side I given top gainers and losers. Pause off the video and have a glance and we'll continue. So today 2,684 stocks traded, in which 1,014 stock closed positively and 1,574 stock closed negatively, and only 96 stock prices unchanged. 172 stocks touched the upper circuit limit and 52 stocks touched the lower circuit limit. Though this number is good, this is not good. Similarly, if you see 217 stock touched the 52-week high, only 8 stock touched the 52-week low. So this ratio and this number is very good. So this is one of the important thing for the many investors look for the long run. Now we'll see who is the best contributor in the negative side. So before that positive side, we will see that Adani 3.05 point positive contribution and Bajaj Finance 1.84 contribution, 84 point positive contribution. In the negative side, HDFC Bank minus 33.18 points negative contribution and ITC minus 17.43 points. So these two stocks alone 1/4 of the Nifty's downfall contribution. FID data until recording this video, the data doesn't come. So anyway, I given the positive data for your reference. So far, if you see FII 3,290 crores net buying and DI 7,296 crores net selling. So the important thing we notable is the first day of the year the DI was in the net buying. So rest of the days all are in there in the negative. So this is quite variable. So if DA turns positive, we can expect our market crosses 22,000. Sorry. So this is previous month wise data since June 23 FID data. So you can pause off the video, have a glance, and continue. Okay. Now we'll go to the chart. So previous close of Nifty is 21,710. The opening is 21,447. Though it looks like a small gap up, from there on it's continuously in the downside only. There is no sign of real recovery. So this just upside all the ripples are, but overall the trend, if you see for the day, it is in the downside. So at the end, 197 point negative closure with 21,513. So this is about Nifty. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, almost the same price pattern, but one thing, after 215 it quite abruptly again it gone further downside. So this also doesn't have any sign of recovery in the intraday. So end of the day, 708 points negatively closed at 47,450. Now we will see the trend. First we will see Nifty. So if you see the Nifty, since couple of sessions, even we can say since beginning of the year, it is in the sideways market. One day, the other day it go up, then the next day it will go down. So that's how it is going. So far the market closure is happening, and this 21,500 is the minor support, but still it didn't break that one. That is one good thing. The next highest support, strong support is 21,000. So if this breaks, there are possibilities of market trend may turn into the downside. So until then we no need to worry, but still it didn't break the even the first level of support, minor support. So this about in the price action, but if you see the indicator RSI, it came from the overbought zone in the downside, but still it is above 60. So that is the one good thing. But though the momentum and the upside momentum is completely, it quite gradually it is coming down. So this we have to keep in mind. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, the strong support at 47,000. So today closer is 47,464. It's just 450 points it's away. So it's one regular leg is enough to touch that support. So this is we have to keep in mind. But there is no still strong negative side in the price action as well as in the but in the indicator if you see it is very much close to the 50 mark. Now it is a 55. So generally breaking the 50 mark it will be treated as negatively. So that we have to keep in mind. Just a moment. So this is about large cap. So we cannot judge the market based on only the large cap. We have to see mid and small 400 index. So that if we see, just a moment, we change the 50 mid small 400. Yes. So Nifty mid and small 400 index is 124 point negative closure today at 16,284. So this is quite big number, but the overall compared to the Nifty and Bank Nifty, the price action is very much strongly in the positive side, even in the indicator as well. So nothing to worry. The major support would be the 16,000. So the next major support would be 15,500. So even the 1600 break also we have to be quite worried. Let me see what happens in the subsequent days. If we see the mid and small cap 250 index, so 51 point negative closure at 19,348. So if you see here, this also like a mid and small 400 in the price action, it's a very good positive sign. There is no negativity even in the indicator as well. So these two index still giving the hope that our market in the positive side only. So nothing to worry. Let me see the subsequent days how if anything changes here, then only we have to worry. So this is about our market, but we will have to see the US market, the big brother. So if you see the big brother's last closure, it's almost flat. Though it looks green, it almost near flat. The Dow Jones just 25 point positive closure and S&P 500 8 points and Nasdaq 13.77 points. So by the time of recording this video, if you see today's UK market and Euro market, all are trading in the red. But though it's not a very big number, but still we have to take aware of this. Let us see end of the day how it closes. So this is the left side is Dow Jones chart and right side is S&P 500. So if you see the Dow Jones, the price action and indicator both are positive. There is no negativity. Still it is very good condition. If it breaks 37,000, we have to worry. So still it is 466 points away from the support level. So there is no any strong negative signal here. Similarly, if you see the S&P 500, the strong support is 4600. Yeah, already we said 4700 is a minor support. It's almost exactly at minor support. But the major support at 4700. So still we can have hope there is no negativity in the upcoming session. Okay, yes, with this we wind up this video. I hope this video will be very much useful to you. Please do subscribe and like and share with your friends. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.